From the southern islands of Japan, Kaito, a humble fisherman, sought wisdom beyond his simple life. Hearing tales of the renowned teacher, Suiwo, he ventured to the mainland, leaving behind his familiar shores. He embarked on a spiritual journey. Suiwo, once a scholar in the grand capital, now spent his years in solitude, imparting his wisdom to those who sought it. Recognizing the flame of dedication in Kaito, Suiwo posed him a challenge. The enigmatic riddle: what is the sound of one hand? Kaito wrestled with this mystery, devoting 3 years of intense meditation. Yet enlightenment eluded him. One summer night, with frustration carving deep lines on his face, Kaito approached Suiwo. "Master," he confessed, "I feel the pull of my old life. I'm caught in a storm of doubt. The answer to your riddle remains out of my grasp." Suiwo, understanding the weight of Kaito's despair, gently advised, "Spend another week in deep contemplation. Kaito, allow your thoughts to ebb and flow like the ocean tides." Despite his growing disappointment, Kaito respected his master's wisdom and dedicated another week, then another. Yet his efforts bore no fruit. At his wit's end, Kaito pleaded, "Master Suiwo, I fear I've reached my limit." The wise mentor, knowing the need for one last push, said, "Kaito, give yourself 3 more days of meditation, and remember, it's okay to take a step back, to breathe. Enlightenment is not a race." On the second day, while he listened to the rustle of the wind, mirroring the sound of the sea, he found his answer. The sound of one hand was not about the sound, but the calm, the silence, the acceptance within himself. The tale of Kaito teaches us about resilience. When faced with a seemingly insurmountable challenge, remember Kaito's journey. His enlightenment wasn't achieved in haste, but through persistent dedication and, importantly, knowing when to rest. Sometimes, the answer isn't found in constant struggle, but in the peace found within. A mentor, like Suiwo, can guide us, challenge us, and offer a different perspective. However, the path to understanding and success is ultimately a personal journey, a delicate balance between perseverance and self-care. Next time you're struggling, remember Kaito. Think of the lessons he learned, the wisdom he gained, and let it inspire you. There's a Kaito within all of us, facing our own sound of one hand. I hope this tale sparks a flame of resilience within you and reminds you of the transformative power of self-discovery and the importance of guidance. Let your struggles be stepping stones towards your enlightenment. Thank you for watching. If Kaito's journey resonated with you, give this video a thumbs up, share it with those you care about, and subscribe for more inspirational stories. Until next time, take care, keep exploring, and continue to seek your sound of one hand.